बेटी आप बेटी दोनों बेटी आओ। माता जी बैठ जाओ, 2 मिनट बैठो, बच्चे लोग बैठ जाओ 2 मिनट। क्या नाम आपका?
अपूर्वा।
और भाई क्या?
आकाश।
अच्छा, आ से है तो
कविता।
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा, ठीक है। गुरुवे गौरचंद्राय। कहाँ पर वकील है? दिल्ली में।
वो इंजीनियर है एक्साइटल में।
अच्छा, गुरुवे गौरचंद्राय। राधिका बैठो,
उनको जाना है, आकाश को जाना है, भाई को।
बस 2 मिनट सुन के जाना, कोई बात नहीं।
He has to go somewhere.
आज एक दिन उनको लेट हो जाता, कोई बात नहीं। गुरुवे गौरचंद्राय राधिकाय
Hare Krishna Krishna Bhaktaye Tad Bhaktaye Namo
सपूली। हरे कृष्णा
Hare Krishna
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे। ये यहाँ एक वरदान दो। मैंने दीदी से सुना कि पहली बार कार्यक्रम आप लोगों ने रखा है।
This is the first time they're having a program
तो
at their house.
इस्कॉन भी जाते हैं आप लोग?
Do they go to
तो
ISKCON?
है इधर? अच्छा, कभी कभार जाते हैं।
Sometimes. Sorry, speak in this as well.
देखो, ये बड़े सौभाग्य की बात
It's
है,
very fortunate
आप लोगों के यहाँ साधु संत खुद ही चले आए।
that the sadhus have
क्यों
come
आए?
here. Why?
मालूम है क्यों है?
Do you know why?
वो तो है, और वो तो दे भी दिया।
To give the blessings, but also to teach something, explain something to
बिना सुने फिर वो कृपा आशीर्वाद फल नहीं देता।
without listening. The sadhu does not give his blessings. What is that message?
कि
That
ये मानव जन्म
this
हमको
human
मिला,
is very rare,
भारत देश में मिला।
and you have this birth in Bharat Bhumi.
भगवत गीता
Sorry.
समझाता है हमें, मानव शरीर पाकर के यदि हम
Having attained this human birth,
ठीक है, जीवन के घूस है,
we have some duties, responsibilities in this human body.
शादी करना है,
You have to marry. If you have children, you have to
ये तो जीवन
send them
के
to school.
छोटे-छोटे goals।
These are small goals in life.
मरने के बाद
But after death,
कहाँ जाना?
where to go?
गोल है?
Where is that?
कोई गोल नहीं।
No goal. They will not die. They will not
तो
die.
क्यों नहीं मरेंगे?
Why you will not
कोविड
die?
में तो देख ही लिया, नहीं? कोविड में तो मतलब देख ही लिया क्या हालत है, 20 साल भी मर रहा है और 60 साल भी मर रहा है।
And some can die at the age of 20, or some can die at the age of 60.
सिखाता है, ना जॉब सिखाता है, ना बच्चे सिखाते हैं, ना माता पिता
Nobody is told.
सिखाते हैं।
Nobody takes anyone's permission to leave this body.
बड़ा जो लक्ष्य है उसके प्रति जो अपना
What our goal
लगाएगा नहीं, फिर मानव
is our highest goal, our highest perfection.
में समझाया गया है।
In the Srimad Bhagavatam it is explained.
भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने गाली जैसा दिया है कि द्विपाद पशु, 2 पैर वाला पशु है।
This the Lord has called such human beings two-legged animals who don't have this higher goal.
मरूंगा ही नहीं, बुढ़ापा
We think that you will not die. They think that you will be young forever and enjoy.
तो भगवान ने उनको
So the Lord,
मनुष्य ने ही कहा, बल्कि कहा है कि पशु तुल्य जीवन है।
that this kind of human life is like two-legged animals.
भेद नहीं,
There's no difference between the animals and the humans.
मनुष्य में और उस पशु में मतलब कोई भेद नहीं। क्यों? क्योंकि पशु भी वही चार काम
The animals
कर ही रहा, खाना,
are doing
सोना,
the same as the human beings,
उसके बाद
eating, sleeping, mating, defending.
आहार निद्रा भय में तुरंत सामान्य में तक पशु धर्मो ही देशाम अधिक धर्मे नहीं ना पशु
Usbi samana.
पंचतंत्र गए सो के सो। तो इसलिए
For this reason,
भक्ति के बिना भगवान के
without devotional service and without the Supreme Personality of Godhead, then human life is like animal life.
भगवत गीता नाम सुना है,
You must have heard Bhagavad Gita.
घर में रखा है,
Gee, they have Bhagavad Gita in the house. Have you read? No. Why?
मैं तो वहाँ पर देखा लॉ बुक है और
There's a law book, all different types of books in
गीता के
it.
टाइम नहीं।
You must read
फिर इस
Gita
बात
all
के
the
हम
time.
फिर हम किस बात के कहते हैं हम मतलब ये हिंदू में
Why do we call ourselves Hindu? Tell me.
किस बात है? यदि कृष्ण ने जो संदेश दिया वो संदेश ही हम नहीं सुनेंगे तो किस
If we don't listen to the instructions of Krishna in Bhagavad Gita,
सोचोगे आप
then what is the use? And if you think that you will read it in your old age, ask your mother.
पुरानी चीजें मन में याद आते हैं, फिर पढ़ने बैठो नींद आ जाता है।
And when at the old age you start to read, you fall asleep, your body will be aching.
और जब तक भगवत गीता देखोगे नहीं फिर पता कैसे चलेगा?
If you don't read Bhagavad Gita, then how will you know how to live? Like you are going to court, you're reading law books, there's some, then you won't know, then you have to keep it up to date with the laws of the government that change.
संसार को चलाने के लिए कोई लॉ बुक नहीं है।
So you think that there is no law book to run this
वो law book
material world? That law book's name is Bhagavad Gita.
जिस भगवत गीता को पढ़े बिना हम समझ ही नहीं सकते हैं।
If we don't understand this book, if we don't know what the meaning of life is,
जीवन में दुख आता है।
then why this suffering is coming?
मैं देख रहा हूँ पिताजी नहीं,
I know that your father is not here
कष्ट की बात है।
anymore, so this is very difficult. As
दुख लगता होगा।
you can see, ask your mother.
कोई हमारा साथ नहीं है।
Even so, in this material world, there is nobody for us in this world.
भगवान ही है।
Only the Lord is there for us in the form of Paramatma.
सब समय साथ नहीं दे सकते।
Not all the time. Sometime, for a short time, maybe 50 years, if you've married, somebody may stay with you.
बॉन्ड लिख के फिर आगे दोनों साथ साथ ही रहेंगे।
For some time you'll stay together.
मालूम पड़ेगा भगवत गीता नहीं देखेंगे समझेंगे।
If you don't read Bhagavad Gita and you don't understand it,
सही गलत
what is right, what is wrong,
कहाँ से आएगा?
where will this knowledge come from?
प्रमाण है। ठीक है।
Just the law book is
ठीक है वैसे
the guidelines.
क्या है? शास्त्र प्रमाण।
What is the evidence?
शास्त्र प्रमाण।
Bhagavad Gita is evidence.
क्या सही क्या गलत इसका क्या?
What is right, what is wrong? Who will give you that advice? Your masi, your mother, your relatives.
WhatsApp आ गया।
WhatsApp,
ज्ञान देगा?
you know, WhatsApp will give you?
नहीं ये सब नहीं दे सकता।
No,
ना YouTube ज्ञान नहीं दे सकता।
no YouTube will give you this knowledge.
जो परंपरा से भगवान ने
That which is coming from Guru Parampara, which is given by the Lord.
ये हमें सटीक परफेक्ट
This is
ज्ञान दे सकते हैं।
This is the perfect knowledge.
जीवन में दुख है तो क्यों है?
Why is there suffering in this material world? Have you ever asked this question? No, you haven't time to ask this question.
इसीलिए साधु संत लोग
That's for this reason. That's why sadhus come to reawaken us.
इसलिए जागो और अपने जीवन को बाकी
Wake up.
जीवन को सफल बनाओ
and make your life successful.
महाराज हमारे संस्था के
President who is preaching all around the world, Srila Bhaktivedanta Maharaj, he's come here. He will also explain what is the purpose of this life.
विचार अनुसार नहीं होगा देख लेना आप, लोग करते हैं बहुत सारी मतलब बातें,
Everybody talks big talk.
इसको लेके उसको, ये तो कोई प्रमाण कोट नहीं करता, किंतु हमारे चैतन्य महाप्रभु जी ने बताया है,
But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given the evidence.
बिना प्रमाण के कोई बात नहीं कहते।
He speaks only from scriptures. That's why Rupa Goswami, whatever they said from the Veda and Puranas, they gave evidence. The Shastra is the scriptures or the evidence. Because we have forgotten those scriptures, this is the condition of our dharma, our religious state. Now, we believe anyone, we have faith in those, we shouldn't. Somebody who doesn't know the language, they break our language, then they break our culture, they break our religion, they break our foundation. So we say we are Hindu, but on what basis, what grounds? We don't know about God, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But at least we should know about Bhagavad Gita, 700 shlokas. Everything you need to know is in there. The solutions to all your problems are there. Depression, confusion, criticism, whatever conditions, circumstances. What is death? Why am I suffering? The answers to all your questions are in the Bhagavad Gita. Whatever is left of your life, you don't know about tomorrow. By the mercy of Sadhu Guru Vaishnavas, after taking Nam Diksha, you get all your answers. Your life will be very happy and peaceful. Otherwise, there's no solution. One car, two cars, three cars, this and that, I've collected, and like that, we'll carry on. Just, you're very both well educated and Shiv does Ekadashi. Gurudev said he gave Harinam. Hari Hari. So we'll speak a few words and then we also have to go. They both have to go. Chandraya Radhikaya Tadali.
Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Rasa Bhaktaya.
There is food.
Nanda Adashita Bhakti. हम लोग इस कार्तिक महीने में
in this Kartik month, whatever we do becomes perfected in our devotional practice. We do Vrajmandal Parikram from 1st November to 5th November. 15 days we will do Parikram. If you have time, please come. The Didi, she comes, and their mother and father, the Didi in black, their mother and father there, who is coming to the temple and serving there. But I don't have any connection with you personally, just as now, for the first time I have come here, with this government criminal law is either studying or practicing. You've married? nay, not marrying.
बहुत अच्छी बात है, आपकी माँ भी
Your mother, very nice, very simple nature. And your father also was very, very simple. There was an accident. How many years? Joe, that's 14 years ago. Then you must have been small.
चलो आप माता आप लोग के बहुत
Your mother
पालन पोषण किया,
have brought you up very nicely.
आप लोग सारी विद्या भी अध्ययन किया, बहुत अच्छी बात है।
You have gone through a lot of study,
और परिवार में जो अच्छे लग रहे हैं,
and I feel that your family life is also very good.
देखें मानव
No.
जीवन की तात्पर्य क्या है।
And now go try and understand what the purpose of this human birth is. This is true. One day we'll all have to leave this body. This is the nature of this material world. Called sansar, like Maharaj is saying. Read Bhagavad Gita in between that you have kept in your house. By keeping Gita in your house, everything can become auspicious. In this shloka of the Gita Mahatmya, even if you keep it in your house and put tulsi and gajal, and then the Lord directly manifests. They'll give a loud applause. We are Hindu, consider ourselves Hindu, that we should take this path that's offered in the Bhagavad Gita. Ma phaleksu kadachin. In this shloka, we all have a right to perform our duties. Those who say they don't do any work, this is the greatest liar. Because we work, even by taking a breath, this is called karma. We eat, this is all part of karma. But as long as we have this body, we'll have to perform karma. The Lord says you have this right to perform these activities, but you have no right to the fruits of those activities. Our main aim and goal is to be careful we do the right thing and not perform sinful activities or bad things. That sometimes our circumstances is such. Sometimes we have to tell a lie. I'll tell you one story from the Srimad Bhagavatam. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, Srila Shukadeva Goswami Pad says the 4 types of animals, one of 4 types of animals. Sabir means, in Sanskrit, it translated means dog. Dog, and to educate offspring, to collect wealth. American University. And so Gurudev left everything and came and surrendered to Srila Gurudev. Look and see all these devotees from abroad. Why do they come for this spiritual knowledge? If we don't read Bhagavad Gita, how can we say, call ourselves from this country, from this Bharat Bhumi? We should. You get wealth in your life according to what you have done in your previous life. Not more, not less. You get that much which you have earned in your previous life. And we're not saying that you just sit and not do anything. And there's one Sanskrit slok. The king of the jungle is who? The lion.
शिकार करना पड़ता है।
Even the lion has to hunt for its food. The king of the jungle, the lion, doesn't say that I would just sleep and the deer will come and enter my mouth.
शेर को भी क्या करना पड़ता है?
The lion has to work for its food.
इसलिए संस्कृत में कह रहे हैं न ही सिक्कत सिंहस्स प्रविशन्ति मुखे। बेटा कर्म सबको करना पड़ता है। एक पशु से
Everybody has to perform karma action
सब अपने अपने आहार भोजन आदि के लिए
for its food.
ठीक है, चेष्टा करना चाहिए।
This is our right.
उतना ही आपको मिलेगा जितने आपके
But
पास।
however much you do, more or less, you will get according to your past life karma.
एक समय एक
Once
सुअर जो है
one pig
सुअर जो है वो चल रहा था।
was passing by. I met one lawyer. I'm not saying you, but just an example. So I told the lawyer, "You stupid nonsense rascal, move to one side, get out." The pig said, "Oh dear lawyer, why are you criticizing me so much? You are useless, you're low grade, of no use." The pig replied, "I want to ask one question." He's very intelligent. He's very intelligent and the cream of society. The lawyers. When I go to university, I give a lecture. In their assembly of lawyers, then I speak this katha. And then you are the cream of society. And this is true. Very intelligent, like Maharaj said. Everybody has to follow the rules in society. If you don't follow the rules, the traffic rules, you will be punished. You calling me a pig and low grade, and you are mad. Move from here. You are doing nonsense. So the lawyer was saying this to the pig, and the pig replied, "Can I say something?" The pig said, "The pig asked, am I higher than you? Or how can you compare yourself to me? Do you know?
I am the cream of the society.
I am the cream of society. I know this. I want to tell you something. So, and look, what do you eat and what do I eat?" He says, "You eat the stool, the rotten food." And then the pig replied, "Yes, what I eat is not sin, no sin related in that. What you eat, you eat sin. You are what lawyer? You are called a lawyer. Lawyer. If you lawyer is liar. If you don't speak a lie, then your business will not run. Is it true or not? You know that this person is a criminal, but to save that person, you take this promise, or you take some bribe, or you take some risk to take a client. This telling a lie is sinful, is it not? Or taking a bribe is sinful. I'm not saying that you do. I don't know what you do. If you don't, then not even one client will come to you. You'll have to make papers that looks like this person is completely innocent. This is the job of a lawyer. This is what you do. Would this you take a bribe or not?
कोई कमाई
you
का
take
पैसा
a risk.
हम जो भजन करते हैं,
But
जो कुछ भी है उसमें कोई
I eat. There's no sin in that.
मैं पाप करने की कोशिश करता। अच्छा, दूसरी
And second,
निद्रा,
sleep.
सो जाते हैं।
When you sleep,
सुअर बोले देखो,
The pig
सर,
said,
आप बताइए, आप
"Tell me
आप कितने घंटे सोते हैं?
how many hours do you sleep?"
आप बताओ कितने घंटे सोते हैं?
10. She says, "No,
कोर्ट में जाना
I have to go to court tomorrow. I have to prepare these papers."
पेपर तैयार करना पड़ता है अच्छी तरह से, है? चिंतन रहता है मेरे
And then
माइंड
you're
में,
always worried
10 लाख रुपया लिया,
that I've taken 10,000 rupees from.
किया, है? उसके लिए इतना पेपर
I
तैयार
have to
करना
make
पड़ता है।
such and such
और
papers,
महाराज जी कहना,
like Maharaj is
आपको
saying.
जो है, लॉ हर समय देखना पड़ता
And then you have to look at the law, this law, which year, how it was passed, what circumstances.
आज बहुत केस लग रहे हैं हमारे,
है?
आज बहुत केस लग रहे हैं।
So many cases are going on now. This is all going on.
ये जो है हुआ था, उसके कोर्ट कैसे हुआ, उसके देखो जज साहब,
How did the judge react to this case, research, etc., etc. And hundreds of years pass.
अच्छा बताओ, उस संदर्भ में एक बता दे, एक लड़का था,
In this regard, there was one boy became a lawyer. His father was also a lawyer.
लॉयर बन गए ना, उसके एक कोर्ट, एक जो केस जो कम से कम 50 साल चल रहा
One case took 50 years. Then the son became, the son solved the case in 3 days.
उसके बेटा बोले पिताजी,
The-
आप 50 साल तक
You took this case for 50 years.
चल रहे हैं, मैं
I solved it in 3 days. 3 days. Yeah, 50 years the father fought, and the son solved the case in 3 days.
3 दिन में उसे ठीक
I know, the father said, I could have done. I that for them earning my money from that case, I brought you up. I used that money and stretched the case. I know
आज मेरा तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, तो ठीक है,
that my health is not good today.
यही करते रहते।
This
तुम बेटा तुम जो उसको दे,
is the problem.
उसके केस में तुम ये कर दिया, है? तो हम सोचा कैसे?
If you solved his case in 3 days, how will our life will be maintained? How will you maintain your life?
और यार में पैसा आता है,
Every hearing you get money, like you just stand there.
जानते हैं इसको
He knows how to solve the case. In 2 hearings, 3 hearings, solve it. If the judge gives a decision, then your case is finished and then your money is finished. In Mathura, he's criminal. Criminal. Just listen. What you're earning, money, you don't sleep. They have to think about the client. I sleep peacefully, the pig said. Carefree, careless. I don't have. Wherever I want, whenever I want. So I'm better in sleeping than you. Even in eating, I am better. Fear, eating, I am better. Sleeping, I am better than you, the pig said to the lawyer. The person who owns money has a bodyguard, and everything from the temples to any institution, you know how difficult it is to look after money. Everyone knows this. Everybody puts their money in the Swiss bank. They don't want to show tax or etc. They're all the ministers, and they and PM, Prime Minister, not Prime Minister, but ministers. They throw money in the air. This is a matter not that everybody knows, nothing to hide. In the press, it goes to court. In the internet, you can read. If you be from Bihar, from Bengal, they all know. Some are exposed and some are not exposed.
समय समय आने पर
But
सरकार आकर दूसरी सरकार जब
one government comes and another government exposes the other one.
कोई छिपाने की बात, तो आप बताओ,
So
भाई,
you have fear,
जो 4-10 जो है,
you have bodyguards around you.
है, दूसरे में अच्छा भी हो आप बुरी भी हो,
Whether you are good or bad,
दूसरी पार्टी उसको है,
your opposing party will always criticize you. Well, they will threaten to kill you. So you have to wear bulletproof vest.
बोले हमारे पास कोई
What the pig is saying, do I have any such need of any such protection? I am living quite fearlessly.
अच्छा, वकील साहब बोले अच्छा
Then the lawyer is saying, okay, very good.
संतान संतति,
Children,
संतान संतति,
and the pig asked the lawyer, I have one.
हम है और
We are two and I have 2 children. This slogan is there.
पति पत्नी है और एक बच्चा है,
There used to be this very popular slogan, the 2 of us and our 2 children. The lawyer said. But the pig said, look, listen,
हमारी एक साथ में मैं कितनी
in one time I have so many siblings, offerings, 10, 12,
आपके सामने
and in 1 year, in your life, in your whole life,
अच्छा
in 6 months, he's saying the pig can give birth again.
कितनी साथ एक बात बताऊं,
But one thing,
भजन नहीं किया,
if you don't perform devotional practice, then your life is useless. So in our scriptures, it said, one who performs devotional practice, their life is successful.
इसलिए हरि भजन करना चाहिए,
One should perform Hari Bhajan.
जीवन में चलिए,
You perform your duties, you'll have to do some work.
हम भी करें,
Sat karma should perform righteous activities, and irreligious activities you should not perform.
हरिनाम करते रहें,
You should chant the holy names of the Lord and
नाम भजन करते
chant the names of the Lord, and our sinful reactions will be destroyed.
हैं, साधु गुरु
Take,
पास आइए,
come to the sadhu guru, come to the mat. Yeah,
जीवन में यही जीवन हमारे
and this is our life.
जीवन तो उसी प्रकार ही है, यदि हरि भजन नहीं किया,
If you don't perform devotional service,
सब कुछ छोड़ दो,
one day we'll have to leave everything. In any case, however much money you have collected,
सबको एक दिन
one day
छोड़कर
you will have to leave behind.
बड़ी कोठी बना दीजिए,
However much bigger house you make, one day
जाना तुझको बड़ी
bigger akela.
भजले
Rika naam tu.
इसलिए मनुष्य जन्म में
So this human body is very precious.
यही हमारी क्या कैपिटल है,
This is our capital.
साथ जाए,
That will go with us. What we do
धन दौलत
for our spiritual life.
सम्मान जितने भी आपके
Everything else, whatever we've collected whilst we are here, will stay here.
जितने भी धन हो जाए,
All that wealth
धन यहीं रह जाए,
will stay here.
जितने भी बड़े बड़े
All great, rich people, millionaires, trillionaires,
देखो मृत्यु के बाद
but after their death, when they what is written in the newspaper in Hindi,
क्या लिखा जाता है, निधान हो गए,
Nidhan ho gaya. Nidhan means literally one without wealth. Ni means not, dhan. Dhan means wealth. Without wealth. When they leave their body, in the newspaper it is identified as they have nirdhan. They have left their body.
मैंने धन नहीं,
They have no wealth anymore.
इसलिए ठीक है, इस संसार में जाने के लिए पहले
Before we leave this world, we should perform some devotional practice. Chant 2 rounds in the morning,
और शाम को तुम्हारा जब
and night time chant 2 rounds.
कभी कुछ करना नहीं,
Nothing
यही जो जितने
more
भी
to
आप
do.
परिणाम कर लिया, जब
Whatever you've done in this spiritual way will go with you. What was your father doing?
क्या जी? खुद का अपने बिजनेस
He had a business.
है, वो आप लोग भी उसी में आए,
So read Bhagavad Gita,
गीता जो है वो इस पर
read every day.
उसमें चित्त शांति,
Your heart, your mind will be peaceful.
कर्म मार्ग में चलने के लिए किसी
Everybody has to walk the path of karma.
उसमें तो कांटे
and there will be thorns.
उसमें जीवन में अनेक दुख कष्ट,
Some suffering will come,
किंतु
but we have to walk where we can chant the names of the Lord.
भवसिंधु
By chanting, we will cross over this ocean of material existence, and then we'll reach the abode of the Lord. From here, I'm praying my pranams to your father, and praying to your father, that you perform devotional service and walk the righteous path, the spiritual path. Otherwise, our life will go like that, in vain. Very nice. I'll bring them. He's requesting to bring the two of them. They have come.
अभी भागवत कथा चल रही है,
Bhagavad is also good. Come in the evening. Whenever you get time, come.
एक घड़ी आधी घड़ी
1 moment, half a moment, even half of a half moment. Adib se punyad.
समझ जैसे आप
According to your availability. And this Didi, she goes every day. Do you know her name?
सेवा कर
You know her name?
बहुत सेवा कर
No.
कथा नहीं सुनते लेकिन सेवा ही लगता है। कथा नहीं सुनते सेवा भी लगता है।
मुझे सुनना चाहिए, नहीं तो सोचेंगे कुछ समय के बाद
One have to listen, not always engaged in some work. You have to take some time out and listen to Harikatha. Not until you've listened to Harikatha.
काम ऐसे लगे तो
And it will, like, if you perform work, ordinary work, it will become like when we eat for the body. What is the food for the soul? This Harikatha is food for the soul.
सुनेंगे ना, उसकी आत्मा
Until we don't listen to Harikatha, then the soul cannot be benefited.
अहित की अप्रतियता जात्मा आत्मा प्रसन्न कब होगा?
The Atma will be pleased and satisfied by listening to this Atma in this body is as fish out of water, flapping. And the sadhu can see the soul, how the Atma is suffering, like what is lying dormant. Like if you've not eaten for 2 days, your body becomes lean and thin, and you won't be able to walk. You'll fall over, become unconscious. In the same way, it's told about the Atma. What is the food for the soul? Harikatha. Not until you've listened to Harikatha, not until then the soul will be happy and content. In this verse, it is explained. And that Atma will be satisfied when it listens to Harikatha, just like the body is nourished and satisfied when it is fed. Like we also say, when the body is, when the stomach is empty, then we cannot perform our devotional service. So we also need to feed the body. So we feed the body. Why? To perform devotional service. And why we need to perform Hari Bhajan, why we need to practice devotional service, because then in that way the soul will become full and satisfied. Take one verse from the Gita every day. One mala harinam. You will become so happy. When you sleep, you will have darshan of Thakurji. I am telling you from experience. By chanting the holy names of the Lord, you will feel so happy. Bihari Lal ki jai. Jai Shri Radhe.